Happy Thursday, everyone. What a day to be watching crypto and markets. So if you missed the moves of the past 24 hours, buckle up because we've got a lot to unpack. Let's start with the headline everyone's talking about. Bitcoin just kissed $119,400 before settling around $118,500. And in doing so, it actually overtook Amazon's market cap to become the seventh largest asset in the world. Yeah, you heard that right, the seventh largest asset. And if you were betting against this move, well, that didn't go well because $330 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum shorts got absolutely liquidated in the past day. Traders on Kalshi are now giving it a 74% chance that Bitcoin hits 125,000 before January 2026. And honestly, after today, that doesn't sound so wild anymore. Meanwhile, Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev came out swinging with a bold prediction saying tokenization is going to eat the entire financial system, which is either visionary or completely insane depending on who you ask. Over in the Ethereum camp, we're sitting pretty at $4,400, and BlackRock clearly agrees because they just scooped up another $127.5 million worth of it. XRP is having its moment too, surging past a $175 billion market cap, while some of the newer players like Asterisk rallied 40% in 24 hours and crossed 2,000 holders. But it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows because SBI Crypto, Japan's largest exchange, got hit for $21 million in a hack that's already been laundered through Tornado Cash. And yeah, North Korean hackers are the prime suspects. On the corporate Bitcoin buying front, it's business as usual. BlackRock grabbed $199.4 million in Bitcoin. ARK 21 shares added $105.7 million, and Metaplanet went absolutely nuclear, buying another 5,268 Bitcoin worth $615.6 million, bringing their total stash to 30,823 Bitcoin. Publicly traded Vanity Coffee shareholders just approved a $1.17 billion Bitcoin investment because apparently coffee and crypto go hand in hand now, and in a move that could be huge, $9.3 trillion asset manager Vanguard is reportedly considering offering crypto products to its clients. The Treasury Department is also preparing to relax a proposed rule that would have taxed unrealized Bitcoin gains under KMT, which is a win for holders. Over in traditional markets, the S&P 500 closed at another all-time high, its 29th of the year, and is now trading at over 3.3 times sales, the highest valuation in history. Foreign holdings of U.S. equities crossed $20 trillion for the first time ever, and the Buffett Indicator, which measures the stock market's value to GDP, hit a new record high at 217%. Elon Musk made history by becoming the first person ever to surpass a $500 billion net worth, because of course he did. Silver had a moment too, closing out September at $47 an ounce, its highest monthly close ever. But not everything is rosy. The Fed's preferred inflation measure, core PCE, ticked up to 2.9% in August, the highest since February, and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index dropped to 55, even though retail sales grew 4.8% over the past year. The S&P 500's dividend yield fell to 1.17%, the lowest since 2000, and President Trump called Fed Chair Jerome Powell an obstructionist, so that's fun. The chance the Fed doesn't change rates in October has dropped to just 7% on Polymarket, so expect some action there. Michael Saylor chimed in with a cheeky happy October, and Donald Trump Jr. said crypto will preserve US dollar dominance, which is an interesting take. So yeah, it's been a wild ride, and if today proved anything, it's that we're living in some truly unprecedented times. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to follow along, and I'll catch you tomorrow with whatever madness the markets throw at us next.